guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 3.5, the distributive property part 2. So remember yesterday I was telling you how we wouldn't be actually solving our problems then. Now we're going to actually look at solving using the distributive property. So remember, this is what we looked at yesterday. So taking and going from 10 times 315 to get 10 times 300 plus 10 times 15. And we could also use subtraction in there. So now we're going to take and do this once again, and then we're going to expand on that and actually find our solutions. So use the distributive property to complete the equation. 12 times 308 equals 12 times something plus 8. So what do we have to add to 8 to get to 308? 300. So 300 goes here. So then we're splitting it. So 12 times 300 plus 12 times 8. Now we find what 12 times 300 is. Well, 12 times 3 is 36. Sorry, hang on. 36 plus 2 zeros, because there were the 2 zeros in the 300. And 12 times 8 is, what is 12 times 8? Is 96. Now we're going to add these together. So 3,600 plus 96 is going to give us 3,696. So 12 times 308 is 3,696. So got a few more practice problems for us. How can you use the distributive property to find the product of 4 times 105? So 4 times, now we need to split our 105. What are we going to split it into? Easiest would probably be 100 and 100 plus 5. So then we split it 4 times 100 plus 4 times 5. 4 times 100 is 400 plus 4 times 5 is 20. We add those together and we're going to get 420. Now the next one, we have 20 times 30. So in this case, our numbers are both double digits. So in a lot of these, we have single digit times either a double or triple digit number. This time it's 2 double digit numbers. The number we want to keep to the outside is going to be the easier of the two numbers. So this 20 is pretty easy to multiply by rather than the 32. That's not so easy. So we're going to keep it as 20 times, I'm going to do 30 plus 2. So 20 times 30 plus 20 times 2. Now, 20 times 30, think of it as 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have 2 zeros. So going back to our mental math days, so 600 plus 20 times 2, well, 2 times 2 is 4, then we have a 0, so plus 40. Now we add these two together, so 600 plus 40 is 640. So there's our answer. So what you guys are going to be doing today is just like this. So I want to see what you're splitting these problems into. I want to actually see the 4 times 100 plus 4 times 5. And then I want to see your answer. But I need to see how you're splitting them so that I can see, if you do get it wrong, I could see what you did wrong to make it so you got the wrong answer in the end, whether it was something up here or just a simple calculation error. Okay? So this is what you guys are going to be working on today, is actually solving them using the distributive property. And yes, you have to use the distributive property. I don't want to see you just multiplying 4 and 105 together to find out what that is. I want you to use the distributive property, because distributive property is going to come into effect later on in your mathematical careers. And so knowing it now will make it a lot easier then when you have to deal with it. All right, your keyword for this lesson is multiply. Multiply. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.